Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this raspberry mousse cut crease, so if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'm first starting off by taking my Anastasia eye primer for my base. Next, I'm taking my Beauty Treats pencil brush, and I'm going into my cake palette. And I'm going to take the shade Strawberry, and we're going to place this directly in the crease and go back and forth until the desired amount of shadow is used. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild flat brush and my Plouise Base in 0 to cut the crease. Now taking my Vela U blending brush and spraying it with some MAC Fix Plus to deepen the shadows. Going into the color Lavender, we will place the color on top of the cut crease. Now for the waterline, I'm taking my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in Mermaid Blue. Now I'm spraying my dome brush with MAC Fix Plus, and I'm taking the color Blue Raspberry and I'm popping this in my inner corners. For mascara, I'm taking my Falsies Lash Lift. Now to complete everything, I'm popping on a little bit of blush and some highlighter, and that will complete today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe before you go. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.